You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this village in California, and this is also the name for Wales. So let's break it down in English. It's also the name of a plant. Alright, so there's going to be different pronunciations, but in English, in British English, it's generally pronounced as Cambria. It's a company name too, Cambria. In American English, it's usually pronounced as Cambria. Cambria. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.